Hey everyone, it's Karen with Yes Please PaperCrafts, and I have a little bit of a haul video today from Dollar Tree. I went into Dollar Tree looking for the fridge bins and I didn't find them, so that was a little disappointing. But I was excited because they had a new section in the store which was all kinds of craft items, and I was able to find some really cute things that are scrapbooking related. Stickers. And so this first one is actually sticky notes, and I just think this is so cute because it's like the little I guess post-it notes, and there's a whole stack of them here, and I don't know, it says one mini journal. I'm not sure if this one here is post-its, but these two small ones are, and I just think that's just too cute. Maybe I should open this up and see, because now I'm curious. I thought they were all like sticky, but down here at the bottom it says a journal, so I'm not sure. Oh yeah, it's like a little notebook. Oh, okay. That's cute, but I was thinking that it was a stack of them like this, so that's a little bit disappointing, but still cute. And then these are like the little post-it hearts and stars, so that's really adorable. And I could use this cover on a scrapbook page because I really like that. It says "Make Today Amazing," and that's just so cute. Okay, so we got that one, and then the next one I found was this one from Crafter Square, and these are dimensional stickers, and this particular set is all kinds of food items. It's got pretzels and popsicles and cupcakes and ice cream, and I just think these are just cute. I can't believe these came from the Dollar Tree. Okay, next one is this one that has baking items. It's got like a little mixer, an apron, a little oven mitt. That's so cute. I just love all these stickers. This one is has a bicycle and a bunch of sayings and like some florals. And I just think that's so cute with the little teacup. That's really pretty. And then the last one I found that was these dimensional stickers from Crafter Square is this one with the butterflies and the mason jars. Those are just too cute. Okay, and then I was also able to pick up a couple of these. I really wish I could have found more of these, but this was the only two that they had in my store. It's from Jot, and it's 3 pages of stickers, and they're glitter stickers, so they have glitter on them. I don't know if you can see that. They're also, some of them are 3-dimensional, and I just think this little banner is just adorable. This one is happy birthday stickers. And so the second sheet has a bunch of sayings, and then the third sheet has some alphas. So I got that one, and then the other one that I picked up that was like that from Jot is this one, and it has these really cute florals and little flower pots. And then the second page has some word sayings, and then the third page is an alpha. Isn't that cute? So now I can't wait to go back to Dollar Tree to see what else they're going to bring into the store, because I was just having some fun picking these stickers out. I picked up every single one that they had in my store that was 3-dimensional or these glitter ones. And they did have a bunch of other ones that were more flat. But I really like the ones with dimension. I just prefer those. So yeah, it's really cute. So one other thing that I did get from the Dollar Tree was I picked up some of these organizers. They're called organizer baskets from Cooking Concepts. And if you pick up the small ones, which is this size, it comes with 3. There's a medium that comes with 2. And then there's this large one that's just, comes as 1. And the thing I liked about them was that I thought I could use them in the Alex drawer unit. But when I got them home and I tried them out in the Alex, it does not fit in the top 3 drawers. It only fits in the bottom 3. And the one I'm talking about is the Alex 6-drawer unit from IKEA. It's the one that is wider and has really narrow drawers. So the top 3 drawers are 2.5 inches deep, and the bottom 3 are 3.5 inches deep. This is just a little bit too big to fit into the top 3 drawers. So that was a little bit of a disappointment. But then I did find that this is the fridge bin, and this is what I was looking for. 3 of these fit into the Calyx drawer inserts. And so I was looking for these because I wanted another set of these. I wanted to get 3 of them. And I found these, and 3 of these will fit into that the Calyx drawer unit. So the only thing is that with the fridge bins, you can put them in the drawer this way, and then I like that it has this handle because it's so easy to take out of the drawer, where this one, although you can fit 3 in this way, you can't fit it in this way because it's too long. You can see that it's longer than that. It's a little bit harder to get in and out of the drawer, and it's a tighter fit, but it does work in there. So I just wanted to share those bins with you. I'm just trying out all kinds of different bins, and I just love organization. So whenever I see something new at the Dollar Tree like this, I'll pick it up and then just try to see where it fits in my craft room. And I'm always looking for new storage solutions, and I think these are a really good buy. So if you see these, pick them up. But I really wanted these, so I'm hoping that the next time I go into Dollar Tree, which maybe I'll go back next week, I would really love to find some more stickers, and then also 3 of these fridge bins. So I'm hoping that maybe next week will be my lucky week. So we'll see. So that's all I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you like this video, please give it a like. If you would like to see more, please subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.